Botox is one of my favorite plastic surgery techniques. In a word, it's great because in a 5-minute treatment, you can virtually eliminate the lines in the upper part of the face. These lines include the 11s that form in between your eyebrows and make you look angry, as well as the horizontal lines across your forehead that just make you look old and tired. And not to forget the crow's feet at the corners of your eye that they say they're laugh lines, but doesn't mean you're always happy. The Botox technique takes about 5 minutes. It's very safe and it virtually has no side effects. Besides that, it has limited downtime, which means you can do it at lunchtime and go back to work and no one will even know what you had done. In my opinion, Botox is a perfect technique because you can eliminate wrinkles quickly, safely, and naturally. And that's important because people will notice that you had something done, but they won't know what, unless you tell them, of course.
So I had the Botox, and that really has helped tremendously with the wrinkles in the forehead, and in here I had a very deep crease.
A lot of wrinkles showed up around my eyes, on my forehead, in between my eyebrows. I looked extremely tired and extremely miserable.
We utilize a number of different filler techniques in our office. All of these techniques are very safe and done fairly quickly, and you will see your results right away, which is really kind of nice. Juvederm is a jelly-like filler. It lasts about 6 to 9 months and is great for filling in the laugh lines as well as for those little vertical lines that form in the upper lip. Radius is another type of filler. It's a little bit thicker than Juvederm and lasts longer than a year. Radius is also great for filling in those wrinkles around the nose and the ones that form around the mouth and the jowl area. Silicone is a permanent technique that we use to plump up thin upper lips. And finally, we use fat transfer techniques also to treat the wrinkles of the face. In this technique, we take fat from a part of your body where you won't miss it, and we put it into the wrinkles around the face. Over time, the fat builds up and helps smooth out those wrinkles that you were worried about. When you come in for a consultation, we will discuss your concerns, as well as the many different types of procedures available. And then we will decide on the procedure for you that will give you the best and most natural looking results.
I feel like I look a lot younger, and people have noticed that I work with. You know, when I went back to work after the weekend, they were just like, wow, you really look good. And they don't know exactly what it is. They just say you really look good. And
I did the Botox on a Friday night, if I'm not mistaken, and that night I went out. And I had no swollen face, no marks. I felt great. I felt like a new person.